Hi guys, it's me Linda, and today we have GSMK Cooking Ninja. There isn't like this in 2012, like this in 2000s. You ever won in the 1920s? You're earning. I'm Alice White, with our glorious neighbor in 1958. Actually, the nail polish and the makeup is there too, and the earrings, the necklace, and then the girls, and then the daughter. We have our daughter in zone, and then right now, and then the character from the world learned and yours as well from the games. Anyway, let's go! Now from the world like this here. Cooking Ninja. There's Anna. Let's go. Ready? Slice! Let's go! There, here, sister. 1 more minute. You know what? Anything is so fine. You're colorful. Children, you're colorful. There's nothing to do, you're not. You're beautiful. Your children's imagination. The colors is actually nice. Why are you beautiful? Nice. Why are you beautiful? Video game name from the kids. The kids is actually here fun is not allowed. Not allowed in everyone like this, but no, I don't want to help them. They're 9 years old. But you're a neighbor. The neighborhood are all over April 1st, 2023. Why are the comments like this here once so bad? You're everyone it's done for you here. Oh no, time's up! Don't you remember my lessons? Here comes the next. I hear Slicey. Slicey! I hear Hi, getting here. Why wouldn't you want to go alone? Sounding from the sunset kid from the Chinese. Over kid, the China show. Or you can. Something in the tiny kid. Your snacks. I thought right now. Oh, but you can't. But some kids are all over. Oh no. You don't even all over. The Chinese. What's her? Over. You're in the world. Oh no, don't worry here, all over. The part we have overload here right now, right now, Alice, you're doing. We're second. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am getting over place now. You're very welcome. All the best for you in the world. There is a right to die. You're in getting here. Ready? Let's get in here. Everything's form. Now, from the world. Anyone. Here right now, her son and the kids are racked. All over shots. I'm not shocking at all now. Your senses, you're alone here. The last one. One here. You're welcome. There is knowledge just starting to bring. Everyone's the glass. The glass is actually over. Children's imagination. is very welcome. More joy and welcome. There's skyscraper all over place now. There's a world art. I'm waiting for everyone's the last one for you and the happy. For everyone's the in fact the I am happy. There are everyone all over from the happiness. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm fat. You're everyone happiness. Or in fact, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's GSMK or Cookie Ninja from the 2000s. Your early world and learn from their ones non direct under your well from now is when you're there too many of them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and you are coming in next. Anyways, bye!